Hello internet friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Literal Cream, here with a video for my beautiful best friend. I don't know if you remember, but I did tell you probably way back in December that I was gonna make you a video. I did say I was going to make you like a makeup tutorial video at one point. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today. Now, you really don't need any makeup because you are naturally beautiful and you have great skin. But if you want to wear makeup because it's fun, here you go. So this first step is optional, but I like to use this little BB cream. Get it at Whole Foods. That's where I get all my stuff from. Just go ahead and put that on. It's very lightweight and very sheer, and it is an SPF 30, which is also great. Make sure to also get some on your neck so you don't have a floating head. Then these are my favorite. They're by Charlotte Tilbury. I was actually gonna get you one for your graduation, but they did not have them at the Sephora I went to. This one is Las Salinas, which I think would be great, but because you do get really tanner than I get, you could probably also pull off Esmeralda. It's a darker red. So I just go ahead and put a little bit on my cheeks, a little bit on the nose. You can put a little bit up by the temples, a little bit on the chin, and then a little bit down here. And this will give you a very sun-kissed, beachy glow. And then I just go ahead and rub that in with my fingers. And when I do this one on the cheeks, I kind of pat it out and I bring it up around the bridge of the nose. It's called a beach stick, and basically what it does is give you that light sun-kissed glow like you've been out in the sun, and you just place it all the places the sun hits you. And just kind of blend it up and around on the sides, and you can put on more if you want. It's up to you. We're gonna go very light today. This is one that I got at Whole Foods. It's Mineral Fusion. It's a 3-in-1 color stick, so there's a lot of different color sticks, and this one's just a slightly more pink. There's a lot of these color sticks, but I do have to say Charlotte Tilbury is my favorite. They are a little bit expensive, but I've had this maybe 2 years now. They last forever. And then this is what I got you. So this is how I put it on. It's the little Josie Maran Argan Enlightenment Illuminizer. I do one pump, and I just take a little bit and I put it on my cheekbones, up the temple, a little bit on the cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin, put it on the nose, and I do like to put it on my eyes. Sometimes I'll use it as kind of a primer. You can also put a little bit under, and then whatever I have left on my finger will go on my collarbones, sometimes shoulders too. You can get a little bit more if you want more, and rub that in. It is quite pigmented, and a little bit goes a long way. Like the one pump is really all you need, but it is buildable if you want a really intense glow. And you just go ahead and rub that in. I like to put it under my eyes because it kind of helps hide any bags or discoloration, you know what I mean? This is how I like to use it. Just highlight the areas that I want brighter, and it's great. Down the nose, sweep that up your forehead. Not too much on the nose. This is something I've been guilty of. A common mistake is putting too much highlighter all over your nose and it looks like a disco ball. If that's the look you're going for, no hate, but for a very natural glow, this is just what I do. You can finish it right here and go put on some mascara, maybe a little bit of lip gloss if you want, and you're done. But if you want something a little more glam, I would recommend either Dolce Vita or Golden Goddess. Those are probably my favorites. Let's do the Golden Goddess because I think that would look really nice on you. So just take a brush, go with the lightest shade, and sweep that all over your eyelid. And because you did put the illuminizer on, it kind of works as a primer. Sweep that all over it. Make sure you get the corner. And I do like to sweep a little bit under the eye. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the second shade and sweep that in the corner of the eye, both sides. And then I go ahead and just sweep that all over. And take this glittery shade and put that under the eye. And if you're feeling fancy, you can add a little bit of glitter to the outer corner. Kind of sweep it up through the bridge a little bit, and then go ahead and just blend everything out. That's all you need. That's it. If I was gonna do your makeup, that's probably what I would do. But you don't need any makeup. You're beautiful. Then go ahead and put on some mascara. I'm gonna use this one. Dank Kush, you guys. Thanks to my sponsor. Just kidding. You know how to wear mascara. You don't need me to tell you how. If you mess up, just go ahead with a little bit of the eyeshadow and kind of blend it out. Okay, and your eyebrows. You have beautiful eyebrows. Make sure to brush them. Everyone should brush their eyebrows. And for your lips, I like to put on a chapstick to start off with. And the great thing about the beach sticks is that you can also use them on your lips. You can just put a little bit on and it works great. My favorite thing to do is, I have not seen these at Lush anymore, with Santa Baby, and then they used to have these color pigment pots and they work amazing. They just stain your lips. But if you have something like this, it'll just stain your lip a little bit. They look so natural. Another one of my favorites that I know is still around. It is by Mineral Fusion. I also got it at Whole Foods in the shade Ripe. That's a really nice one too. And I like these because they are so soft. You don't really have to worry too much about the application. You know. Yes, that is pretty much it. That's all I do. And there you go. A very natural, light, summery glow. Here's a quick shot in natural light. There you have it. I think this was my first serious makeup tutorial, you guys. Wow. So just a quick recap of what we used. Start off with a lotion. BB cream is optional. A color stick, Las Salinas by Charlotte Tilbury, the Illuminizer, and mascara. You can call it quits there. Or if you want something a little more glam, I would recommend the Golden Goddess or the Dolce Vita. This one's a little more light and natural, and this one is a little more glitzy. And then for the lips, you can go ahead and use Las Salinas right over a light chapstick, or find some type of lip stain. And that's a really natural makeup look that I love to do. It's great for the summer. Oh, and you guys, life hack, aloe vera. This is my favorite thing to put on my skin. It's so fun. You can find them at the grocery store sometimes. You just cut off a little piece and you get the stuff and you rub it all over your face. You can use it as a mask or you can sleep in it. It's so cool. It tingles for a little bit and then it tightens. I love it. It's great. Okay, that's all I want to say. I love you. Hope you enjoy this. See you soon. Bye. So, I don't know if you remember this, but when I was telling you that I was going to make you a video, we were also talking about fruit for some reason. And I was trying to tell you how I eat a kiwi. And I was trying to explain to you how I cut it open. And you're like, I don't understand. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how I eat the kiwi. This is a skill that I learned from my German ex-boyfriend, who as of late has been sliding into my DMs. Hi, sweetie. That I still utilize to this day. So here we go. So basically, you take your kiwi, you wash it off, and then you cut it in half down the middle. And then you go ahead with your spoon and you take the kiwi and you scoop it out like a little cup. It works best when the kiwi is ripe. This is how I do it. And that's what I was trying to explain to you. I don't think I could get accustomed to eating the kiwi skin, but I do have to give you credit for that. Peace out.